There lived a poor merchant with his 3 daughters. One day, he told to his daughters that he is going to the next village market. His elder 2 daughters were always demanding, and they didn't care about their father's poverty. The little daughter of the merchant was innocent and obedient girl. Her name was Beauty. When their father asked his daughters, they need anything from the town, elder daughter said, she needs a fancy dress. The middle daughter said, she needs a beautiful necklace. When the merchant asked to the beauty that what she needs, the innocent girl Beauty said, she needs only a red rose. The merchant went away, and the girls were imagining their desired gifts.
I take the small, so rare to find a friend like you. Somehow when you're around, the sky is always blue. The way we talk, the things you say, the way you make it all okay. And how you know all of my jokes, but you laugh anyway. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I'll come along. Together we dream the same dream. Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Oh, oh, oh. 2 voices, 1 song. And anywhere you are, you know I'll be around. And when you call my name, I'll listen for the sound. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I'll come along. Together we dream the same dream. Forever I'm here for you, you're here for me. Oh, oh.
Completed his task. When he was coming back to home, he got a storm. It was heavy rain, burst of thunder, and it was a night time. All of a sudden, he saw a beautiful castle. The castle was owned by a beast. He was horrified and scary. Firstly, merchant was fearful after seeing the beast. But when the beast offered refuge and food to the merchant, he felt relief. He spent a night in a beautiful castle. In the morning, the merchant saw beautiful roses in the garden. Then he remembered the wish of his younger daughter, Beauty. The merchant demanded a rose, and the beast was lover of roses. He asked merchant that if he promised to come back with his daughters, then he will give him a red rose. The merchant was impressed by his kindness and hospitality. He promised to come back with his daughters and fulfill the wish of beast to meet other human beings. The beast gave him the beautiful rose of the garden. Merchant returned home and gave his daughters their desired gifts.
You say, the way you make it all okay, and how you know all of my jokes, but you laugh anyway. If I could wish for one thing, I'd take the smile
Beauty
that
was
you
happy
bring.
to take the beautiful rose.
Come along,
The other day,
together we dream.
Merchant told his daughters about his promise with the beast. Elder two daughters rejected to fulfill the desire of father, and they didn't care about their father's wish. But Beauty seemed quiet and respectful to her father's desire. She came with her to the castle of Beast. When she met with Beast, she didn't horrified. She became friendly with the Beast and apologized her other sister's rejection to meet him. The Beast was shocked to see the real Beauty. He became worshipper of Beauty. He asked Beauty to stay with him as a masterpiece of beauty in his castle. The Beauty asked his father. Her father rejected because he was horrified by the appearance of Beast. He asked his daughter Beauty that she was such a kind girl. She said to her father that pure love is much more than apparent beauty. So she was ready to accept the true love of Beast. Her kindness and pure love didn't care about the ugliness of the Beast. After all, the merchant agreed. All the time of their marriage, great ball was offered to the materialistic sisters of the Beauty. When the marriage was done, the curse of Beast was disappeared. His spell lost the charm. Then it was clear to all the people that he was under the spell of magic. Only true love and beauty could break the curse. Now, the prince got his previous position, and all the people were amazed. Beauty's kindness and obedience received her lifelong pride.
Ever a surprise, ever as before, ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Tale as old as time, tune as old as song, bittersweet and strange, finding you can change, learning you were wrong. Certain as the sun, rising in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as
Dear audience, keep your best manners with you and always be kind, obedient, and loving to all in the world. Thank you for your attention.